Hey mums, so I want to talk about babies that poo a lot and don't sleep well. And I've just realised that lots of these videos, they're kind of linking, does your baby do this? And here's the result that you're getting, which is crying, whinge, not sleeping. And there's lots of these to choose from and usually causing your baby to be upset in some way. So I'm doing this video because I've seen this just today in clinic. So a baby, let's say normalish pooing might be 2 or 3 times a day, but it differs with each baby. And it's definitely not normal, I don't think, to poo once every 10 days. Or it's not normal for a baby to poo 10 times a day. But this is the deciding factor, really. Is your baby uncomfortable with the amount of times they poo? Okay, so some mums come and go, oh, my baby's constipated and really blocked up. How many times are they going a day? They're going once. So that's not bad, but they're really struggling with once. And then they start going 2 or 3 times, then they're happy. A baby that's going once every 7 days, you could have 3 or 4 days absolute screaming and upset, have a poo, then you get 3 or 4 days of total happiness from your baby. So you know you would prefer your baby to poo more often so they're happy all the time. Okay, so I'm going to link this one to sleep. Because if your baby is pooing lots of times, say 10 times a day, and here's another clue that it might not be right, is if they're just little bits and it's a bit watery, and maybe you get 2 or 3 decent ones, but then you get all these little watery ones, like always having dirty nappies. You want to get that bit better, really. So if your baby's doing that, but doing it at night, they're not going to sleep. They're not really going to have a poo and not wake up. So they may be waking up, you think, oh, my baby's not sleeping, but they may be waking up because they're pooing lots of times through the night. And sometimes with these small little dirty nappies, they're absolutely, they're noisy, it's stuck, and they sound and look like they're gonna have this massive poo, and then you get not much coming out. Another clue, that's the sort of tummy that you want to fix. So if this sounds like your baby, picture us getting their tummy better. So they're pooing 2, 3 big times a day, but it's not too painful. Yes, there's a bit of straining going on, but they're not shrieking and screaming in pain. And then possibly once at night, so you get a bit better stretch and fine, you give them a feed, they have a poo, but you're not getting all these different wakes because that wind and they're trying to poo and all this. And it's a bit of a classic for an antibiotic baby type. So if you've got the course, then you'll know that that's in the baby birth type section. So basically antibiotics really do this, and you get antibiotics at the C-section, and lots of babies have them. So you want to correct that, and I use probiotics for that. So you can learn more about those in my other videos, or leave a comment, but please do like this and share this and tag this with your other mum friends, please, and check out calmingcolic.com. And you can look up some more videos on antibiotics and probiotics and how to help your baby. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.